Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is July 14, 2015. Thank you all for tuning in. What you're going to see here is that the S&P 500 E-mini futures are trading down by about $1.75 to $20.92.5 per contract. Again, the market really, for the most part, had a big rise yesterday, and it's really just going sideways from what we could tell. So we'll see how today plays out. I would not rule out a little bit of a retrace day back down. Not saying it's going to be a big sell-off, but I would expect at least a little bit of a pullback. We did have a big move yesterday. This is also a week where options expiration is in play. This coming Friday we'll have options expiration, so there will be a lot of game playing by the institutions throughout the entire week, the entire session. You can get lots of upgrades, lots of downgrades, and lots of rumors. Now, speaking of rumors, let's start off with the first one. It looks like Micron Technologies catching a huge bid today. Stock closed at $17.61 yesterday. Today it's trading up nearly at $20 at $19.97 a share. This move is up on the fact that they are coming out and saying that there's a Chinese group that wants to buy the company. So again, Micron is up on that big news. That's a big surge for a $17 stock to be at $20. So great move on Micron. If you own it, I would just trail the stop loss or take your money off the table. The choice is yours. Great move there for Micron. Next up, we're going to talk about Wells Fargo. WFC is the ticker symbol. Stock is trading at $55.92 a share. I am seeing support right now at around $55.77. Now, please understand the company did come out with earnings, so their announcement could sway the market a little bit, but I'm really not seeing a lot more. I don't expect a lot more selling below this level. If the stock did really sell off, we'd look at $54, and we'd also look at $53. $53 would be the ultimate buy level from what I could tell. But right now, I have to think that $55.75, $55.70, there's a pretty good amount of support right in that area. Next up, we're going to take a look at JP Chase. This stock also is trading at around $68. Had a nice surge after its earnings announcement, but now is coming down to around $68. The only level that really interests me for JPM today would be if the stock sold off to around $65.70. If that happened, I would be a buyer at $65.70. But until then, we'll look at this. This could be an intraday play. Those of you that are InTheMoneyStocks members know that we do play JP Morgan a lot during the intraday session, one of our more favorable big companies that we like to trade each and every day. So with that being said, come on over, take a 7-day free trial, check it out. You'll see everything that we're doing in the intraday stock chat room. All right, let's take a look here at GoPro. That's up on an upgrade. So right now, if you take a look at GoPro today, that stock is trading higher. Right now, it's around the $54 area, closed at $52.11. So good pop on an upgrade. GoPro will be on our radar once the opening bell rings as well. We're going to take a look also at Sandvik. I don't know the news here for Sandvik, but this is a pretty good pop. Stock closed at $53.65. It's down trading at $55.50. The stock has been beaten down severely. I think it's up on the news that Micron had a buyer. So if that is true, Sandvik is trading up in sympathy to Micron, and we'll see how that one plays out. Next up is Johnson & Johnson. I think they reported earnings as well. They complained about a strong dollar. The stock right now is trading at $99.83. All in all, though, Johnson & Johnson still is holding up okay. Did trade briefly above the 101.20 level. I think there's a ton of resistance today if we get back to this level at 101.20. I really don't see much upside for Johnson & Johnson at around that area. Let's take a look at SAVE, which is Spirit Airlines. Stock is getting hammered today to the downside. Closed at $63.54. It is now trading at $59.31. Believe it or not, I think the stock is oversold here, but they came out and guided lower, and that's never a good thing. So we'll see how this plays out once the opening bell rings. We get a little bit more volume. This could be on our radar today as a potential day trade. Let's take a look at Amazon, AMZN. This is trading higher on an upgrade. Stock closed yesterday at $455. It is now trading at $461.30. I do not see much upside past the 466 level. So if it gets up to 466, watch for it to stall out around there. I wouldn't short it. If you own it, trail your stop loss. Stock is in a confirmed uptrend at the moment. Let's take a look at the gold market. Gold futures are trading up by 70 cents to $1,156 an ounce. The GLD this morning is trading right around the 111 area, 110.98 to be exact at the moment. So again, really no movement there. You have crude oil down about 3 cents. Let's take a look at the USO. Spot crude right now is trading at 52.19 a barrel. Right now the USO is trading at 17.48, closed at 17.51. So it's kind of flat there as well. But just be aware, this is an options expiration trading week. You can get a lot of upgrades, a lot of downgrades, lots of buyout rumors, lots of rumors in general. So just be prepared for that, and we'll see how this market shakes out and plays out throughout the rest of the day. If you want to come over and trade with us, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we're doing. Last week we had a blockbuster week. We're going to look to keep that going to this week as well. So come on over, take that 7-day free trial. You'll see what it's all about. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.